With a powerful access control and event monitoring system that is scalable to meet the needs of a growing organization, the Secure 9000 platform can meet a wide variety of access control requirements. The release of Secure 9000 version 2.70 brings with it a breadth of new features and enhancements in the following functional areas: access management, visitor management, unified, hardware and firmware, usability enhancements, installer enhancements, maintenance, and web client. Let's take a look at what's new in Secure 9000 version 2.70. The clearance assignment review process in the Secure portal provides an approval structure for non-Secure 9000 users whereby clearance requests can be generated and approved via a web browser. With a valid portal account, those assigned the Can Approve Requests attribute on their personnel file are allowed to participate in a clearance review process via the Access Approver section of the Secure portal. Configurable via a new Review tab located on the Clearance Editor, the Multiple Personnel in Order feature allows a clearance owner the ability to specify a single individual, multiple individuals, or a group of personnel to approve a clearance. The On Watch List with Alarms feature provides a means of flagging personnel records for visitors who need special handling upon entering or exiting an access-controlled environment. Version 2.70 systems identifying persons with this feature can now notify guards or security staff of a special need when a visitor presents themselves upon self-check-in or departure at a Secure Visitor Kiosk station. The Bulk Add Visitors feature gives conferencing center or visit hosts an easy way to add multiple visitors to a visit by providing a process whereby a .csv or .txt file can be utilized to import visitor data. A user can now log into the Secure web portal and select the Visitor Management link, create a new visit, then by selecting the Bulk Add Visitors icon, activate a Windows dialog box from which they can select a configured file with personnel data to upload. Selecting the plus icon starts the upload. The .csv or .txt file prepared for import must match the field structure exactly in name and quantity as the active field structure in the Visit Site Editor of Secure 9000. The Secure Kiosk application utilizing version 2.70 allows identified personnel or visitors the ability upon check-in to automatically print a visitor's label containing information specific to the visit. Peel and stick visitor labels can then be printed via the Brother QL820NWB wireless printer, the primary printer being recommended with this software release. Other AirPrint type printers are in the process of being tested and will be available after the initial launch of version 2.70. With increasingly more shared features and objects in Secure 9000 and the Victor Video Edge platforms, system variables have been created that support journaling functions in a unified environment. These new system variables in the Unified Journal category in version 2.70 allow an operator to set certain defaults regarding how information is managed and displayed in the Unified Journal Volume Manager. These new variables will enhance system monitoring and journaling activities on unified platforms. With the release of version 2.70, the new iStar Ultra LT configuration supports 16 readers per each IP-ACM board. This has been achieved by a software update in the iStar controller editor of the Secure Admin Station, expanding the platform from 8 to 16 readers when required. The updated iStar controller configuration panel allows the user to choose a default setting of 8 readers or select the new 16-reader protocol. The new 16-reader configuration will continue to support the family of ASA Abloy Apereo and Schlage AD300, AD400, NDE, and LE wireless access control hardware. The operating system-specific Edge browser in Windows 10 is now fully functional with all Secure 9000 web-based management tools, including Secure Portal and Secure Web. The Edge browser operates only within a Windows 10 environment and meets the needs of those requiring the use of Secure Portal and/or Secure Web in the same. The new Partition Privilege feature in version 2.70 allows access control sites consisting of multiple partitions the ability to create a single privilege or set of privileges and assign them to more than one partition. For example, an administrator can create one operator privilege or set of privileges in a template, which then can be applied across multiple partitions easily and quickly utilizing the new partitions feature in the privilege editor. For those operational environments requiring the use of numerous privileges to manage access control across multiple partitions, this exciting and new feature will simplify that process greatly. With access control infrastructure needs demanding the adoption of IPv6 technologies to meet the declining IPv4 addressing capability, Secure 9000 version 2.70 delivers IPv6 capability across the entire range of our iStar controllers, Secure 9000 configuration items, and ICU utilities. IPv6 addressing protocols are also supported in enterprise environments. However, the servers must be configured with dual IP address modes, including IPv4 and IPv6, if the panels require both. Regarding database management, Secure 9000 version 2.70 or the Unified 3.70 installer require an upgrade from SQL Express 2008 R2 to SQL Express 2014. Customers currently baselining their systems with SQL Express 2008 R2 will be required to perform an auto upgrade to a minimum of SQL Express 2014 with the version 2.70 update. Customers already using a full, local, or enterprise database or non-Express versions of SQL 2008 will be required to upgrade to a newer version of SQL 2012, 2014, or 2016 prior to installing Secure 9000 version 2.70. Customers purchasing a Secure 9000 license for the first time will be able to install SQL Express 2014 for free as part of any license level purchase. Also, with the version 2.70 release, CD or DVD ROMs will no longer be shipped for new Secure 9000 installations or software upgrades. If a customer purchases system software for the first time, it will be loaded on a USB drive. If they are registered on the software house website and request version upgrade software via the mail, it too will be loaded on a USB drive. Upon installation of version 2.70 software, the full complement of technical documentation for system operation and management will be installed in a folder called Manuals for a new unified or upgrade installation. This essentially is a blind install for this release only, and with the next software upgrade, the unified installer will prompt the user and ask them if they would like the full complement of technical documents installed upon a new or upgrade installation. The encryption protocols for Secure 9000 version 2.70 and supporting services have been elevated to the latest available cybersecurity standards to ensure protection from external threats. Instituting these software upgrades brings the Secure 9000 platform into compliance with the most current cybersecurity standards. This software upgrade has no bearing on the user and is transparent, but for the added security and protection it provides your access control infrastructure. The addition of user-defined fields, swipe and show protocols, personnel monitoring, and search by card number enhancements to the Secure Web platform have expanded its rapidly growing feature set. User-defined fields, or UDFs, available in personnel and credential records enable the user to define additional fields to be included as part of every respective record. With the swipe and show feature enabled and personnel added, a record for each person is logged into the system as they enter or exit respective doors or doorways. Swipe and show is set up by selecting the personnel tile in the Secure Web application and then adding the active personnel you desire to include in the actual swipe and show personnel listing. Enabling swipe and show is then completed by selecting the active doors or elevators the operator wants to monitor. Select All can be utilized to add all doors and/or elevators to the monitor personnel procedure. With this release, a Secure Web client user can search for access credentials based on the card number originally assigned in the Secure Admin Station. The entire card number needs to be known and entered to conduct a search for identification. With the card number identified via visual or electronic scanning, the retrieved ID number can be entered into the Search By field to quickly identify the specific personnel associated with the card. Secure 9000 version 2.70. We've added powerful new privilege and partitioning features, instituted IPv6 protocols across our entire platform and controller families, and have added many enhancements making the platform even more accessible in a web browser. Secure 9000 version 2.70 release brings all this enhanced functionality and more for the management of your access control assets. And with the latest available cybersecurity protocols standard on the platform, your resources are even safer from external threats. More than ever, Secure 9000 version 2.70 for all your access control needs.